The Xfinity Xumo Stream Box brings Xfinity's content and other streaming apps to your TV. To install, plug the Xumo box into your TV's HDMI port, HDMI 2.0 or higher recommended. Next, connect the power adapter to the Xumo box. Pair the Xfinity voice remote by holding the setup button until the LED lights up. Follow the on-screen prompts. No additional physical setup is needed. The device boots directly into a guided setup wizard. Ensure you have an active Xfinity TV subscription and internet speeds of at least 25 megabits for HD streaming, 100 megabits for 4K. Setting up Wi-Fi on your Xfinity Xumo Stream Box can be done through the Xfinity app or the on-device menus. Scan for available networks, select your preferred band with 5 GHz for faster speeds, and enter the password. The box works with third-party routers that support DHCP and WPA2 or WPA3, though Xfinity routers provide better performance. For stable connections, use the USB-C port with an Ethernet adapter. For app management, access the Xfinity Xumo App Store from the home screen to download apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. Use voice commands with the remote, such as Launch Netflix, for quick access. Keep your device updated with automatic over-the-air firmware updates for new features.